all, welcome back to Python programming. So today we are going to start about loops. So what is a loop? Basically, when you have been a child or so you would have seen a loop-like object that is said as a hula loop, and you like use that to play. So it's what's the thing that I want to notice about it is that it's round in figure. That means it keeps on regulating, that it keeps on moving, it has no end point. So do the loops have. So but basically loops have a ending point like when the condition is not satisfied. Okay, so today we begin with our first program on loops by using for loop. And you see the pattern that I made has been made with the for loop. So let's start. First open your shell. This is my shell. So go to the file menu and the new file. So here you have to type okay. In C++, you will have been writing like for int I equals to 0, I less than equals to a number specified, then I plus plus how you want your statement to be. And let's those who have done C++ or any other coding language, you will easily get through this. What I want to do, this is a loop like I starting from 0, keeps on iterating till 5, and the condition is I++, that means it's a post increment form. That means first the I value is used and then it is incremented. Okay, so let's now in Python we do have a similar loop, but its syntax is quite different from the CS. What we write here is for the integer you want to specify, that is I, in range till what range you want, like it where you want to stop. So like we want to stop here at 5, taking it from this. So for the next line we just go here, then for j in range. Okay, range, we put here the range that is I plus 1, where you want your to object to stop or what you want to like print. Then you go. So what I want to observe, that there is a pattern going on. Whenever you put this sign, the colon sign, there is a pattern. Like this is a step, then this is a step, then this is a step. That means you are getting inside the loop. You get inside the for loop for I, then you get inside the for loop for J, and then you are printing the statement that is inside the for loop in J. Okay, so print, you want to print star. So you can also use any other, you know, special character or so, but I am beginning with this. So you will notice a different object or different word here that I used end. Now I am getting out of the loop, that is print again. So you must be iterating what I am doing, what I want to do with the end. I will show you first. First you go to the file and save your data, because it will not run unless you save it. I want to save it where I am. Okay. So here I write, I want to save it as save. Save it to. Okay, now I go to run. Then I have to go to the run module because I want my module to run. Now here it is. Your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 lines. How we should collaborate with this? The C. I in range 5. I stand for the number of rows. Okay. I here stand for the number of rows that is operating. Just a second. Okay, it's actually getting it all in my hand. So you can clearly see, or I guess you can must be able to see why. So yes, so it is for int I equals to 0, like you are starting a range of 5 for the number of rows. The number of rows you have are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you should know the range is 5, then it is going till 4 from the starting of 0. Okay, so you want the range of I plus 1. For here, first the range of I will be range in 1, that means it is going to start from 0. The value is I is 0 and then it goes to the range I plus 1, that means 1. So here is your 1 star, then go on. For example, you may be thinking why I put the end equals to this here. Okay, the reason is that you have to terminate the statement, else it will, okay, if it is by default like space. If I don't write end of that and I save that, what will happen is that I will show you. See, they are going with the space. It is default, so you have to write end equals to this. That means there is no space involved and simply a print statement that you want, and everything should get printed. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.